Hello, well, it's me again. Sorry for that. My name, as you know, is Kike, or as you know me for YouTube, El Kike Man 882, and this is my next S.M.I.L.E tutorial. It's called Ambience Changes, and for those ones of you who don't know what an ambience change is, it's like, for example, this room I take as an example. It's when you wanted to make it look with a different theme. Like, for example, I'm going to teach you right now exactly what it is by changing everything here. I want this place, let's say, to look with the to look in the aspect that the wrecked ship usually has, like those green metallic things, a lot of technology and stuff. And okay, the only thing that you won't be able to do when working on this is changing this here, which are monsters. Monsters that are in a room can be added and can be erased, but cannot be different from the original ones. For example, here in this room, the only monster that doesn't screw up the game is this face. So if you try to add something else, let me think of an example. One of those little I don't know how they're called. Those small crawling things, look hairy and stuff. Or, for example, another example, let's say it would be the Bomb Chozo boss. That would be a huge mistake. This room doesn't support that monsters palette, and if you want to know how to do it, you'll have to wait, because I want to know how to do it too, and when I find out, I'm going to make a video, I promise. Right, so first thing to do is edit the tiles. You don't have to edit them one by one. Alright, what you have to do to edit this kind of tiles and stuff is you change the graphic set here to whatever number. Yeah, I got the dark one, but I don't want it to look so dark and gloomy. Let's say, no, that I think this one's the dark one. I want to look like this. Alright, there we go. I know it's a bit screwed up, but I'm going to show you how am I going to make this look cool. What you want to do is use all of these tiles here that are now available to build your room, to rebuild it, like in a way you will like it to be. For example, let me take these ones here. No, these blocks are for spikes. Oh, this one's a cool one. Yeah, this one I'll add here, right here, right here. See how it got fixed? Instead of looking all so glitchy. I know it looks glitchy now, but it's part of the process. You can oops, I'm sorry about that one. I'll fix it later. It's part of a process. This process that I'm showing to you right now, you know, as I can see right now, these blocks up here, these things don't look so bad at all, so I'm not going to change those because I like how they look. Alright, first things first, I have to check out what kind of block I am using. You son of a... I'm sorry for that one. Well, it doesn't matter. That was using the wrong block and I screwed up. Sorry for that one. Well, as you see here, you can make this room, you can change its ambience by doing what I'm doing. Let me pause the video and come back when I'm done. Alright, there it is. As you see, I've made the room into an entirely new space. What you have to check out is when you use this program that all the blocks here in the floor surface and the roof surface are solid blocks. If they're not, well, you're going to fall off the world and gonna glitch, and you won't like that crap happening to you. So take it from me, use solid blocks for the ground. Alright, next, you would think that this room is over. Alright, I've changed the ambience. No, I haven't finished. You would ask me, why? What's missing in there? It's not to be cocky or anything, but it's just perfect. It goes perfect with the red sheep theme, you know. Well, there's something to it. If you want to, you can have a look. If you want to, you can have a look at what the background looks like. I'll show you in a second. Hold on, please. I have to make some changes here. I have to fix something that I forgot. Alright. Alright, here you go. Okay. And there it is. There it is. There it is. Okay. Okay. There we go. Now, the background, as I was saying, you've changed the whole palette. You realize how messed up the room tiles were when you changed it? You changed the theme. Alright, so I don't like how I say change, I'm sorry. Alright, but the thing is, you also changed the blocks that made up the entire background. So now the background is messed up. Look at it. Okay, so now edit background. Look at what this thing looks like. You don't like it, do you? If you do, you have real problems. Alright, what you have to do here to get the original background from the ambience you copied it from, alright, is this. Close it, and sorry, right, then you go and save the room, transition from room to room by, okay, you go to the room, to a room that contains the background you're looking for. Okay, you can use, if you know the address of the room, you can go directly through this bar here that has the code numbers for the rooms in hex, or you can either use the room transition key trick thing. Alright, the room transition trick is to set the mouse over the door you want to go in, not the blue part or the green part or anything, but the base of the door, like the part you're already inside in. Press enter. That's where you're going next. Alright, so this one contains a background. Alright, we're here in this room, and I realized something. This one has a background that's called, if I'm not mistaken, it's layer 2 background or something. I wouldn't suggest to change those by the method I'm teaching right now. It uses a whole another method. you wouldn't like to mess up your background and not being able to restore it to the way it was. It happened to me once. It was horrible. Okay, let me show you here. This is it. Alright, now you go to background editor and edit BG, right, which means background. There, you see the background, but this is not the one we want. Okay, the one we want is right here. Let me see what the background looks like here. Okay, edit BG again, and there it is. This is the one we want. So now what you do is at the background editor you go to external files, save background file, right, background data tile map saved as G. You know, I worked in Spanish, so don't be surprised. Remember this name though, beta space 1D1F12BG. That will be your background image. Alright, so you click on accept, or as I have it on OK or something, or as I have it aceptar. You close it, you go back to your room, the one you were working at. Right. Here, this is the shortest way not to make the video too long, right, or anything. Right, and gray, here we go. Now you go to edit. No, you don't go to edit, you go to tools, background editor, and edit BG again, right? And what you do is look at this messed up background, man. I mean, alright, so you put external files and open background file. Here's my background. Is the background I use. Look, Super Metroid Hack Beta 1D1F12BG. If you remember, that's the name it saves it as. So now you put open. It opens the background. Now you click on ROM and save changes to ROM. Alright, you don't pay attention to this recompressed size. Right, so you accept, you close it. Alright, you might think that background changed and tile set change means you're finished. Well, it does. I'm done. But there's an optional step you can follow if you want your rooms to make if you want your rooms to be perfect. I mean, a total ambience change. There's a detail I always include. This detail is the music. So the music is something really important for a room for me, you know, because it's what gives it the whole ambience thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and look for the room I want to change the music to. Well, I already know what the music I want to change it to is. So what you go to is to other, look, music. So my collection is, I'm pretty sure I'm pretty sure it's called Space Pirate or something. Yeah, Space Pirate, and it's song 2. Alright, let me save this one. Save room. Now what we do is go ahead and try it to see how it looks. I'm not sure if this will work. Damn it. Well, I couldn't run the file or anything, but if I saved it, sorry man, let me reopen S.M.I.L.E. Alright, it's S.M.I.L.E. Right, but you'll see if you open the ROM that the whole thing worked. It worked out great. And I don't know why it's not loading so I'm going to have to fix it and maybe try it out in another level, in another video. Oh, it's saved. Alright, this is cool, I'm liking this. Okay, now let me show you how it looks on ROM. Okay, it's the testing part, really important. If you don't test, then if you don't test, nothing will come right. So nothing will go the way you want it to be, or something. I messed up my words, sorry. Tongue twisting. Right. No. Almost mess up again. Here is it. Here it is. Alright. Okay, sorry for that. Speed up. Okay, here's my criteria. Oh, introducing my new criteria level that I made. I really like it. I changed the music. Speed it up a bit. I don't know what this is. I really don't remember. I think I messed up. Damn it! Let me restart the game. Alright. I get it. Let me see. It's gonna take a while. I'm sorry. I messed up pretty bad, I'm sure of it. I think I need missiles to go into that. Oh my god, please don't be missile door. Oh! I don't remember putting that there. Okay. Do remember this part. Alright, here's our room. We go inside. Check it out. It has a cool background, cool music. It looks awesome. You can try it out yourself. It's pretty fun to do. Okay, so that was it, and see you in the next lesson.